Mindfulness meditation. This involves focusing your attention on the present moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. The goal is to increase awareness and acceptance of what is happening in the present moment. Loving kindness meditation. This practice involves cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. The goal is to increase feelings of empathy and connection with others. Transcendental meditation. This technique involves repeating a mantra or sound to quiet the mind and enter a state of deep relaxation. The goal is to reach a state of pure awareness beyond thought and emotion. Vipassana meditation. This practice involves focusing your attention on your breath and bodily sensations to develop insight into the nature of your mind and emotions. The goal is to develop greater awareness and understanding of the workings of the mind. Yoga meditation. This combines physical postures with breathing techniques and meditation to promote physical and mental well-being. The goal is to improve overall health and well-being. Zen meditation. This practice involves sitting in a specific posture and focusing your attention on your breath, and sometimes on a particular object or phrase, to achieve a state of calmness and clarity. The goal is to develop greater insight and awareness. Chakra meditation. This involves focusing on specific energy centers in the body, known as chakras, to promote balance and harmony. The goal is to achieve greater balance and well-being. Body scan meditation. This involves bringing attention to different parts of the body, one at a time, to cultivate awareness and relaxation. The goal is to develop greater awareness and relaxation. Guided meditation. This involves following the guidance of a teacher or audio recording to focus your attention and relax the mind. The goal is to develop greater focus and relaxation. Mantra meditation. This involves repeating a specific word or phrase to focus the mind and achieve a state of relaxation. The goal is to develop greater concentration and focus. Walking meditation. This involves bringing awareness to the experience of walking, paying attention to the sensations in the feet and legs. The goal is to develop greater awareness and mindfulness in everyday activities. Breath awareness meditation. This involves focusing on the breath and observing it without judgment. The goal is to develop greater awareness and relaxation. Body sensations meditation. This involves bringing awareness to the sensations in the body, such as warmth, tingling, or tension. The goal is to develop greater awareness and relaxation. Sound bath meditation. This involves listening to the sound of instruments or voices to promote relaxation and meditation. The goal is to achieve a state of deep relaxation and healing. Visualization meditation. This involves visualizing a specific image or scenario to promote relaxation and meditation. The goal is to develop greater focus and relaxation. Tonglen meditation. This involves breathing in the suffering of others and breathing out love and compassion. The goal is to develop greater compassion and empathy. Candle gazing meditation. This involves focusing on the flame of a candle to promote relaxation and meditation. The goal is to develop greater focus and concentration. Compassion meditation. This involves cultivating feelings of love and compassion towards oneself and others. The goal is to develop greater empathy and connection with others. Gratitude meditation. This involves focusing on the things in your life that you are grateful for. The goal is to develop a greater sense of appreciation and well-being. Silent meditation. This involves sitting in silence, focusing on your breath or other sensations. The goal is to develop greater awareness and relaxation.